Getting a job after college is not easy nowadays. However, we have a special college that is training on entrepreneurship regardless of your KCSE grade. Meru Institute of Business Studies, we offer courses that will help you become a job creator or a business partner in the following areas: ICT, journalism skills like DJing, photography, video shooting and editing. We also train on beauty and hairdressing, catering, electrical engineering, nurturing talents like swimming, dancing, and many more other skills. We do NEC examinations and our course duration varies from 2 months to 1.5 years. School fees is affordable. Clean hostels and meals are provided. Registration for May intake is ongoing. Register online via our website www.meruinstitute.ac.ke or visit us at Meru, Makutano, above the Cooperative Bank. You may call us through 0720-917-521 or 0720-967-249. Meru Institute of Business Studies, where CEOs and business partners are produced.